We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 11, or we call that module 11. So first of all, we will open our instruction file that is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing, then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Exp25 Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. Okay, we just increase its size so it must be visible and change its color. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. We have 23 points or question in today's assignment. Last one is non-graded one, in which we have to save and close the file, then exit Excel and submit the file. Okay, so we have 22 questions in today's assignment. Today assignment name is Exp25 Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. Okay, so project description, we just discuss the project description, change its color. Okay, so as internship director for a regional university, you created a list of students who are currently in this semester internship program. You have some final touches to complete the worksheet, partially in formatting text. In addition, you want to create an advanced filter to copy a list of senior accounting students. Finally, you want to insert summary statistics and create input area to look up a student by ID to display his or her name and major. So that was just simply project description. We have to read that project description and we get idea that what work we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so after discussing the topic and project description, now we are moving to graded part. Okay, steps to perform, instructions. So in question number 1, start Excel, download and open the file XP Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, we have already downloaded this file from Pearson. Okay, and you may see our name is Adir in start of file. Okay, so it is just opening. Then click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. Then Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. You will use a student's worksheet through step 10. First, you want to create an array of the last 4 digits of all student IDs. Okay, so that was a simple instruction about question number 2. Our main part of question number 2 start from here. Make sure student worksheet is active. First we have to active student worksheet, this one. Then in cell B2, create an array using write function. So we have to move toward B2 and there equal, then write a right function. So we have to move toward cell B2 and there we use a right function. Okay, then last four digit of student IDs using the range A2 to A42. Here we use A2 to A42, last four digit. Yes, four digit means we have to four there, then simply close parenthesis and press enter. Now you may see last four digit, yeah, exactly. Then apply center horizontal alignment to the range B2 to B42. B2 to B42. We have to apply center alignment. Yes. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to make sure that student worksheet is active. Then in cell B2, we have to create an array using the right function to extract the last four digits of student IDs using the range A2 to A42. Then apply center horizontal alignment to the range B2 to B42. We have done and we get this result. Okay, so question number 2 is done. We get 6 marks after solving question number 2. Now we are moving toward question number 3. The first and last names are contained in the column C and D. In column E, you want to display a last name and first name such as Derham Pascal. Okay, so that was just simply instruction about question number 3. In cell E2, we have to insert text joint function. Okay, first we have to move toward cell E2 and they equal, then write. Okay, the hum is first, so mean that here we just use D2 and here we use C2. Okay, simply that one. Yeah. So question number 3 is done. In last part of question number 3, what we have to do? We have to copy function to the range E3 to E42. We just simply double click on there, that will automatically fill. Okay, yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to move towards cell E2 and there insert a text join function using first student last name followed by comma and space and the person first name. Then copy the function to E3 to E42. So question number 3 is done and we earn 5 marks. Now we are moving to question number 4. Column G contains each student majors. You want to display the majors in all capital letters. Okay, letters in column H. In cell H2, use text join text function to convert text G2 to all capital letter. So for capital letter, we have to use a function that is called proper function. Okay, in cell H2, here equal, then write proper. Okay, now which range we have to convert the text in cell G2 to all capital letter. Where is G2? This one. Then close parenthesis. Yes. Then copy function to H3 to H42. Or simply double click on there and that will be done. So in question number 4, we just move towards cell H2 and there we use a text function. Sorry, we have to use text function, not proper function. Okay, we have to use a text function. So we use text function. Okay. Okay, that's okay. We can use proper function also text function. Okay. So in cell H2 we just use a text function to convert the text in cell G2 to all capital letters. Then copy the function to the range H3 to H42. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to create a criteria range for data set so that you can use this range in an advanced filter. So copy the range A1 to G1 and paste headings in A42. First we have to copy A1 to J1. Here write A1 to J1, copy. Then where we have to paste we have to info A44. Okay, here Control V, done. Then create condition in status and major columns for senior accounting as a major row 45. We use senior accountant as a major row, this one. Okay, here. Then major row on row 45 and on or condition for junior accounts. Where is a junior account? So here we use or condition. Okay. Then major or condition for junior account major in respective cell on row 46. Yes, we have done that one. Okay. So question number question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to copy the range A1 to J1, then paste headings in cell E44. After that, then we have to create condition in the status and major columns for senior accounting. Okay, for senior accounting, senior accounting is just like major on row 45 and or condition for junior account in major in respective cell on row 46. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. You are ready to perform the advanced filter. So copy the range A44 to J44 in cell E48. A44 to J44. A44 to J44. Okay, copy this one. And where we have to paste that one? In A48. Here. Okay. Then perform advanced filter by copying the data output range using appreciate range for list criteria and output range. Okay. So now we have to create advanced filter. So first we have to select this table, then data, and here is advanced filter. Okay. Then for criteria, what criteria we have to use? We have to use this criteria. So we just select this range, then copy to. So copy to mean we have to paste that here. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to copy the range A44 to J44 to cell E48. Then perform advanced filter by copying the data to output range. Use appreciate range for list criteria range and output or range. So question number 6 is done. Now in question number 7, what we have to do? Now you want to display list of measures that occur only once. So in cell L2, nest unique function with sort function to display alphabetic list of measure within G2 to G42. Okay, now we have to move towards cell L2 first. Where is L2? Yeah, there is L2. Then here we use a unique function within sort function. Nest unique function with sort function. Okay, equal sort function by unique function. Then what range we have to select? We have to select a G2 to J42. Then close parentheses and press yes. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we just move towards cell L2, then nest unique function with sort function to display an alphabetic list of measures that occur only once within the range G2 to J42. Okay, so question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, question number 9 up to question number 22 step by step. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. Remember that today assignment name is Exp25 Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. In start we just discussed project description. After that then we move toward graded report and we have solved question number 1, and then we have solved question number 2 where we use the right function in cell B2. Okay, then we move to our question number 3 where we use text join function in cell E2 and get result. Then in question number 4 we just move towards cell H2 and there we use proper function or text function to convert the text in cell G2 to all capital letter. Then in question number 5 we just copy the range A1 to J1 and paste the headings in cell A42. Then create condition in status and major column for senior accounting majors on row 45 or condition for junior accounting major in respective cell on row 46. And then we move to our question number 6 where we just copy the range A44 to J44 to cell A48. Then perform the advanced filter by copying data to output a range. Use appreciate range for list range, criteria range, and output. Then move toward question number 7. In question number 7, we just move towards cell L2, then unique function with sort function. Okay, then we just solve question number 7. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9 up to last 22 question. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that I will take maximum 30 minutes to complete your assignment. Your marks will be 100% and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get E grade 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. In today's video, we have discussed XP25 Excel Chapter 11 ML1 Internship. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.